Hiya Notters! As I got these two art/junk journals ready, I thought it might be a good plan to fill them up and film that along the way. But those empty junk journals aren't the only reason I want to make art. I am always a little bit scared of fall. Don't get me wrong though, because I do love the colors. I love pumpkins, Halloween, I do love the colored leaves and the mushrooms and everything that changes in nature, but I'm also scared of the diminishing light in winter, as it means less and less sunshine and more dark, and thus a winter dip, or even worse, a winter depression, is lurking around the corner to hit me. So I need to take care of myself. I need to keep up with vitamins, healthy food, moving my body, and that's also why I want to try to keep very consistent with creating art, because I hope that will pull me through. In order to be very consistent, I will try to make YouTubes about my progression every day, and that way you all will be my accountability partners. So today I wanted to create a collage and try to keep it balanced. That's a difficult assignment for me, as I'm often all over the place. I started with an already gel printed page that I sewed onto a white paper to create this page, and the color of that fuchsia just screamed at me today. I took some leftover papers and painted them in the colors that are a bit on the front side of this journal, as I will try to get the whole thing a little bit cohesive. Cohesive and balanced. That seems to be the words of today. I guess if you take that into the light of my life right now, it's also about keeping it balanced and cohesive. So, as said, this collage is my art/junk journal, so it won't be a masterpiece, and that's okay. I'm definitely not aiming for masterpieces. It's a fun collage with some painted papers and a lot of doodling. While I was doodling, I was thinking of spiders and their webs, and even the crosses are connected to spiders. I only used some micron pens and acrylic paint, and I used gesso for the white, but I'm not very happy about that because it doesn't cover the colors that well. Anyway, I didn't have a real plan for this collage, only the colors. And I'm just going with the flow. It's so relaxing to do. And at one point I totally forgot time, and suddenly my husband was knocking on my studio door to tell me dinner was ready. So this is what I came up with today. Again, I feel it was all about balance and being cohesive and showing up, mostly to myself. I didn't want it to be very fancy to spend. I just wanted to spend some time in my studio on a daily basis, because that's such a precious time spent. I hope it will inspire you to create something today too. Not for the beauty, but for the sake of creating. It's fun, relaxing, and it keeps you happy. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe so we can create together this fall to shush that winter dip out and to create colorful stuff. Take good care of yourself and enjoy all the little things in life. That cozy sweater. Oh, sweater weather. It's almost there. And a warm cup of tea, or even the rain outside. There's beauty in everything. Well, that's all for today. I want to give you a big hug and hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.